Welcome to Havlyn Share. This video will guide you through the assembly of the Havlyn Community Book Box. Set up on a clean, stable, and clear work surface. Assemble on a mat or protective surface. Assemble the product in a calm environment, taking your time. Step number 1. Insert wooden dowels into the base plate labeled A. Step number 2. Insert wooden dowels into the rear panel labeled D. Step number 3. Assemble the base plate, part A, and the rear panel, part D, using 3 screws. Pay close attention to the orientation of the rear panel. Step number 4. Secure the right side panel, part C, using 5 screws. Step number 5. Secure the left side panel, part B, using 5 screws. Step number 6. Install the shelf support pegs. You can choose from 7 different height positions. Make sure all shelf support pegs are set to the same height. Step number 7. Place the shelf labeled E onto the supports. Step number 8. Position the roof on top of the structure. Adjust it carefully, then secure it using 4 screws. Step number 9. Install the magnets for the magnetic closure. Do not fully tighten the screws yet. Step number 10. Attach 2 hinges to each door. Then install the doors onto the structure, starting with the left door. For proper alignment, place a 1/16" paper shim under the doors before tightening the hinges, then remove it. After installing both doors, you can adjust the position of the magnets for optimal closure. Step number 11. Install the doorknobs on each door. Step number 12. Install the door lock, making sure both parts are correctly oriented. Step number 13. Install the ventilation grills by pressing them into place. Your community book box is now complete. It's more than a box, it's a place to share stories, connect people, and build community. We'd love to see your community book box. Share a photo and your story in your Amazon review to inspire others. Thank you for being part of the Havlyn community.